Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix Silent Hill 2 controllers is not working on your PC. I will show you guys the very effective solution. So first open up the Steam, then just click on the Silent Hill 2, then just click on the gear icon of your game, go to your game properties, now click on the controllers. Now here just select the disable Steam input. Once you select it, launch the game, check problem is fixed or not. If your problem is not fixed, then just select here the enable Steam input. Now launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. If not, then just select the disable Steam input. Now just close it. Now the solution to fix the problem is the install X input plus. Some users have reported that X input plus is necessary for proper controller functionality. Download and install it from the official site. Make sure to follow any setup instruction provided. After that, simply check problem is fixed or not. Now the next solution is check USB connection. If you are using wired controller, ensure that it is properly connected. For wireless controller, ensure that they are charged and paired correctly. Some users found that switching between USB ports helped resolve recognition issues. Now the next solution is verify controller configuration. Open the game controller setting and ensure that the controller is recognized. If not, you may need to adjust setting or reinstall input drivers. Then see problem is fixed or not. If not, then update controller firmware. Make sure your controller firmware is up to date. For Xbox controllers, you can do through Xbox Accessories app on Windows. Now the next solution is remove conflicting drivers. If you have the uninstall or any input related drivers, install necessary files or restore them from a backup. Certain files are essential for proper controller mapping. Now the next solution to fix this problem is try compatibility mode. Run the game in the compatibility mode for an earlier version of the Windows. So simply open up the Steam, then just go to your game properties. Now just click on the install files, then just click on the browse option. Now here just locate your game launcher or exe file of your game. So make a right click on it and click on the properties. Now here just click on the compatibility and just check the box of compatibility mode and choose here the Windows 8. After that, click on apply, click on the OK, now launch the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Now, if your problem is still not fixed, the next solution that you can try is check for conflicting software. Sometimes other software running in the background can interfere with the game input. Close any unnecessary application before starting the game, then check problem is fixed or not. Now, the next solution is reinstall the game. If none of the above solution work, you may need to reinstalling the Silent Hill 2. Sometimes the file corruption can lead to issues like the gamepad not working and trial of the solution. And I hope one of the solution fixes your problem. And if yes, please consider liking this video, and bye bye and take care.